Eating a well-balanced diet rich in essential nutrients is crucial during the first trimester of pregnancy to support the developing baby's growth and the mother's health. Welcome to Glow Up. Here are 10 foods that can be beneficial during the first trimester of pregnancy. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in folate, iron, and fiber. These greens can help prevent birth defects and support overall health. Citric fruits, like oranges and grapefruits. Citric fruits are high in vitamin C, which aids in iron absorption and supports your immune system. Avocados. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and folate. Avocados are great for fetal development. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt provides protein and probiotics for digestive health. Legumes, such as lentils and chickpeas. These are excellent sources of protein, fiber, and folate. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain and eye development in the fetus. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of choline, which is important for fetal brain development. Lean meats. Lean meats are high in protein and iron, which is crucial for red blood cell production. Whole grains. Whole grains such as oats and brown rice provide complex carbohydrates and fiber for sustained energy. Berries. Berries such as blueberries and strawberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber to support your immune system during pregnancy. And there you have it. These foods can help provide essential nutrients and support your health during the first trimester of pregnancy. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider or a nutritionist for personalized dietary recommendations during your Like, share, comment, and of course subscribe for more informative videos.